Okay, here we go. We've got shark plus shark plus shark equals 15. The same number 3 times. Wait, 5, 10. Hey, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Okay, let's look at the next one. We've got shark plus squid equals 15. Again, how do they... Oh, wait. We know shark is 5 plus something equals 15. It's gotta be 10. Okay, so now we've got shark plus squid plus octopus equals 19. Ooh, this one's tricky. Tricky. So now we've got 5 plus 10 plus something equals 19. Wonder what that number is going to be. Wait a second. 5 plus 10 is 15. 16, 17, 18. It's 4. It's going to be 4. Okay, this is squid times octopus plus shark. I wonder what that could be. We know what the numbers are. What's your answer? Faster than the blink of an eye. Able to leap Lake Erie in a single bound. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Secret Silent E. I am Secret Silent E. I stand for true spelling in the American way, and I am here to save all the words. Here we have the word mouse. Look at the Secret Silent E. It is there doing job 5 because when a word ends with an S, what does that mean? That means more than one, but not for the word mouse, because when we say the word mouse, it means one. Mice means more than one, but when we use the word mouse, it's one. So Secret Silent E is there to make sure that it stays a singular word. All right. Oh, no way.
It's a fine day to look for E's. I see one at the end of mouse. Look at that. Let me get it. That's my E. My E. Come here. I've got it. That's my E. Oh, look what happened to that word. It ends with an S, and it's not plural. It doesn't mean many mice or mouse. It's gonna go to word jail. Look at all those words in word jail. That's fun. I can't wait to find some more E's and put some words in word jail.
Oh no! The spellbinder has taken the E away, making mouse look like it's plural. Oh no, it is definitely going to word jail. Where is Secret Silent E? Where is he? He must come and save the day once again. Help, Secret Silent E! Here I come to save the day. I'm Secret Silent E, and I am here to save the day. That word down there should be singular, even though it has an S on the end. Mouse means one. I'm going to go do job 5 and help that word not go to word jail. Here I come. Yes. Secret Silent E has come to save the day again. He is doing job 5, making that singular word stay singular, because when a word has an S on the end, it usually is plural, which means more than one. Thank you, Secret Silent E. You have saved the day again. We'll see you next time on The Adventures of Secret Silent E. Hey, Vicky.
Hey, Misha.
I've got a problem.
Oh, that looks like a problem.
They told me I'm supposed to subtract these two numbers to get an answer, because they need it for something upstairs, and I said I would do that, and I thought I knew how to do subtraction before, but I'm not so sure now, because I see a 0 and I know I have to like line them up, and so okay. I do know that I think that the The biggest number, the largest number goes on the top. That's
Okay.
that. I know we talked about that lots of times,
Okay.
and so I know that part. So I have 20, and then I'm gonna put the 13. Okay, this is the ones, and this is the 10. 10's place and the ones place. And I'm gonna subtract. All right, so I know I'm gonna start at the ones place. So 0 take away 3 is 3. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So my answer is 13. Is that right?
I think we're missing something.
Okay.
Let's. This part is right. Like, you have the 20 subtract 13. That's right.
Okay.
But when you have a 0, you can't take anything away from 0. You can't take anything from me if I've got nothing.
Okay. Well, how are you
So-
gonna get something?
Well, we go to our neighbor and borrow something. We borrow.
Well,
a
like
10.
a cup of sugar, like
Like
I go
a
to my
cup of
neighbor and get.
sugar. Yeah, like
Oh.
sometimes you go to your neighbor and you're like, hey neighbor, we ran out of something and, would you mind, helping us out? And so
Okay.
like you go to the neighbor, which 0's neighbor is 2 over here.
Okay.
And 2 is in the 10 spot. So it's like, it's more than a 1. It's more than a 1. So I'm going to borrow that, and that's going to make my 0 a 10. And now this is a 1.
Okay.
So,
So like you took one number
Yeah.
from it and you gave the number
yeah.
here.
So the 0
Okay.
is borrowing that 1.
Okay.
So now I have 10 over here.
Okay.
And I can take away 3. So if I do 10, subtract 3, that's going to give me 7.
7. Okay.
And now I have 1 subtract 1 is 0.
Oh my gosh.
You know what? I'm going to teach you something that will help when you run into something like this. When you get an answer and you think, I'm not sure. If you add the bottom number to your answer, you should get this as your answer if you're right. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2.
No,
So
I didn't get the right
we
answer.
know, but let's check over here.
Okay.
Let's do 13 plus 7. So 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we
I know,
carry
you put the
our
one
1.
up there.
Yeah, so now we have 2.
It works.
That's the way you can check. You can get the right answer every time if you do
And
this check.
that's not cheating.
No!
Oh,
It's mathing!
Oh, I'm just checking
We're
my
just-
answer, right?
We're just
Okay.
checking our answer.
Okay.
We're mathing. This
Okay.
is math.
Okay, all right. Well,
So-
thank you. You solved my problem.
Woohoo!
Y'all have a good day.